In this video, I will show you how I made a stop motion animation using construction paper. Select New Movie in the app Stop Motion Studio. By pressing this button here, it creates a grid, which can be helpful when you are lining up your background with the field of view of the camera, which is the area that the camera will record. In my film, I have these clouds. I want to make sure that they are seen in my video. Anything that you have as a background that is not going to move, tape it down. I'm even going to tape down my sun because I don't want my sun to move throughout the film. The only things that are going to be moving are the boat and the two clouds. Remember to keep it simple and only have one or two objects that you are responsible for moving. Here I'm going to have my boat go from the left side all the way across the water to the right side of the screen. Once your scene is set and you like it, take a picture. Then go back to the object or the thing that you're going to be moving, move it a little bit, and take another picture. Move a little more, take a picture, move your object again, take another picture, move, take a picture. You get the idea. You will start to see all of the pictures you have taken show up at the bottom of your screen. This button allows you to see the moves you did before with your characters. You can see 1, 3, or 5 prior moves. This is really helpful when you're moving forward and you don't want to move your character or your object too far from the last move. Stop motion animation is not a quick process. Once you have your story and you've figured out where you want your objects to move, or what you want your characters to do, you will need to slow down, take a deep breath, make sure everything is exactly where you want it, then begin. Move, take a picture. Move, take a picture. There are so many things that can happen that can get very frustrating. So use your grit and don't give up. It's going to take some time to put it all together, but it is so worth it in the end, and you will be so proud of yourself. And then you're going to want to do it all over again. And when you're ready to see how your animation's coming along, press the playback button. I have found something in my film that doesn't belong there. At any time, you can delete a frame. Select the frame you don't want, and then press delete. You can do this to as many frames as you would like. If you press the gear button and look for what looks like a timer, you can change how many frames per second. I had it on 5 frames per second. I thought I'd change it to 10. Now it is going to go twice as fast. So 10 frames per second. If I click it again, I'm going to take it up to 15. It's a little bit too fast for me. I want my final version to have 5 frames per second. Once you're all finished, press the backward arrow and it's going to take you back to the home screen and it's going to show you your movie right there.